Be honest. How many hours did you spend on your phone today? 2 hours? 4 hours? Or more? Now imagine this. If you did that every day for a year, you just lost over 1,000 hours of your life. That's not free time. That's your future. And the scariest part? You didn't even enjoy most of it. Just mindless scrolling, switching apps, watching random videos you don't even remember. Listen, this is not your fault. Your phone is designed to addict you. But today, you're taking control back. This is not about discipline, it's about dopamine. Every scroll, every reel, every notification gives your brain a quick reward. And your brain learns fast. Easy pleasure greater than hard work. So when it's time to study, your brain resists. Not because you're lazy, but because you're trained for instant rewards. You're not just wasting time. You're slowly disconnecting from your goals. That stress before exams, that guilt at night, that feeling of, I could have done more. Yeah, I know that feeling. And it sucks. But here's the truth. You can fix this faster than you think. No extreme rules, no deleting everything. We go smart. Step 1, make your phone. Boring move apps to last page. Turn off notifications, use grayscale. Less color equals less craving. Step 2, the 10-minute rule. Before scrolling, do 10 minutes of work, just 10. Most times, you'll keep going because starting breaks resistance. Step 3, create distance. Keep your phone away. Different room, bag, drawer. If it's not near you, you won't touch it. Transition. Now, let's fix the most important part. Your mornings. First 60 minutes equals brain programming. If you scroll first thing, your focus is gone for the whole day. Instead, wake up. No phone, drink water. Plan your day. Even 30 minutes is enough. You're telling your brain, I control my time. Forget motivation. Use a system. 25 minutes, study, 5 minutes break. But during break, no phone, because one scroll equals trap. You already know how that ends. Before sleep, ask, did I use my phone or did it use me? No guilt, just awareness. That's how change starts. Look, you're not weak. You're just surrounded by distractions. And still, you showed up here trying to improve. That says everything. You don't need more time. You need control. Start small. 1 hour, no phone. 1 focus session. 1 better decision. That's how winners are built. If you felt this, don't scroll away. Take action. And if you want real self-improvement, no fake motivation, hit like, subscribe, share it with a friend. Let's win back our time.